Hi, today I'm going to show you how to style second day hair. Today I'm going to show you how to do some second day hair. So, I'm going to start off with some dry shampoo, but if your hair is really greasy today, you could either use the foam reset or the rinseless refresh. Those are both going to be pumped into your root. You're going to give it a good squish around and then just hit it with a blow dryer after to give it a nice refresh. We're going to start sham powder. Again, sectioning things out a bit, tapping that into the root, giving it a mix around. If you're finding your ends are, again, like really greasy, you can just spray a bit of that sham powder into your ends and give it a brush. Give it a nice squish. And then a quick brush through, just to distribute all that dry shampoo through your mids to ends to soak up a bit of that grease. And once you've done that, I like to go through with a flat iron and just tuck up a few of those curls to give them a refresh. One twist and pull out. You don't need to do the whole head. I like just doing around the face and a couple on the top. You can give those a bit of a brush out. Just with our hands. Perfect, and there we go. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out the products in the description box below.